Hello everyone. In this video I am coming up with Oracle 19C, Oracle Real Application Clusters Technical Architecture Overview and Deep Dive and Brief Discussion on the Oracle 19C Rack Internals. Let's go to the session. Actually it's I have prepared these slides and I have referred through Oracle sites for the technical architecture for Oracle 19C Rack. So it's a theory sessions and I have prepared what are the importance in Oracle 19C and in technically described each part one by one. Let's go to the topic and one by one. Oracle database configurations. Oracle database can be configured in two ways: as a single instance database, non-cluster, or a real application clusters rack database cluster. A single instance database, as a database, has the Oracle software, database files, memory, and process all on one server. Below in the next slide I have demonstrated in the diagram. A single instance database has a one-to-one relationship between the instance memory and process and the database data files. Oracle Rack environments, however, have a one-to-many relationship concept like between the database and the instances. An Oracle Rack database can have up to 1000 instances, all of which access one database. All the servers for a single database in the Oracle Rack environment must belongs to the same Oracle Real Application Clusters, right? A Real Application Cluster, a Rack database, has multiple database instances hosted on a Rack cluster. These instances access a single set of database files and a shared storage. Frequently, the shared storage is provided by an ASM instance local to the node hosting the Rack database instance. In Oracle 19C ASM 19, there is only one configuration option, that is Flux ASM. Flux ASM can have the variety of placements for the ASM instances in the cluster, that is controlled by setting the cardinality, the number of ASM instances in the cluster. The standalone cluster consists of one or more cluster nodes configured with the locally available shared storage, a private interconnect in local instances of automatic storage management ASM for managing that shared storage, and the GI management repository, GIMR, grid infrastructure management repository database for storing cluster health and diagnostic information details. Alright, and extended cluster is a special case of a standalone cluster where the nodes of the cluster are into two or more sites at different locations. Here is the diagram: single instance database and rack cluster, rack database. A cluster domain is a grouping of clusters. A cluster domain consists of single domain services cluster and the number of more clusters hosting applications or databases that utilizes services offered on the domain services cluster. A member cluster receives services such as ASM or ASM cluster file system AZFS from a domain services cluster. A standalone cluster may be converted to a member cluster. Domain services cluster provides centralized and consolidated services that are consumed by the member cluster registered with the domain services cluster. Okay. Here is a single instance database, server, database instance, memory, process, and local storage, database files, rack cluster, rack database, server, database instance, memory, process, and another instance, server, database instance, memory, process. Here it is a shared storage, rack database files. We'll go to the next slide. Real Application Cluster Rack overview. An application on Oracle real application cluster have a certain things in common. Each cluster grid infrastructure GA installed locally on each node. Grid infrastructure includes several products, automatic storage management, Oracle cluster and others. Each instance is the Oracle Rack cluster accesses the database file stored on the shared storage. Each node also requires local storage, which is used to store the GI and Oracle database softwares. Each node needs at least a public interface and a private interface. Each network may be used multiple networks interface cards to increase bandwidth, availability, or fault tolerance. Oracle Corporation recommends that each network use multiple network interface cards NIC. per node and multiple network switches in each network to avoid a single point of failure. A cluster comprises multiple interconnected computers or servers that appears as if they are one server to end users and applications. The Oracle RAC option with the Oracle database enables you to cluster database. Oracle databases, Oracle RAC uses Oracle clusterware for the infrastructure bind multiple servers so they operate as a single system. Oracle Clusterware is a portable cluster management solution that is integrated with Oracle database. Oracle Clusterware is a required component for using Oracle RAC that provides the infrastructure necessary to run Oracle RAC. Oracle Clusterware also manages resources such as virtual Internet Protocol VIP addresses, databases, listener services, and so on. In addition, Oracle Clusterware enables both non-cluster Oracle databases and Oracle RAC databases to use the Oracle High Availability infrastructure. Oracle Clusterware along with Oracle Automatic Storage Management, Oracle ASM, the two together comprise Oracle Grid Inbound Structure. Enables you to create a clustered pool of storage to be used by any combination of non-cluster and Oracle RAC databases. Oracle Clusterware is the only clusterware that you need for most platform on which Oracle RAC operates. If your database applications require vendor clusterware, then you can use such as clusterware in conjunction with Oracle Clusterware if the vendor clusterware is certified for Oracle RAC. Okay, next here is that demo diagram. Application clients, cluster, buffering network, and node 1, node 2, node 3, private interconnect, and shared storage. Oracle 19c RAC database. A real application cluster RAC database has a multiple database instances hosted on a RAC cluster. These instances access a single set of database files on a shared storage. Frequently, the shared storage is provided by an ASM instance local to the node hosting a RAC database instance. In Oracle ASM 19c, there is only one configuration option, that is FlexASM. FlexASM can have a variety of management for the ASM instances in the cluster that is controlled by setting a coordinated number of ASM instances in the cluster. RAC cluster. Here's the diagram: node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and etc. Like RAC database instance ASM, RAC database instance ASM, like that, and all it's configured by the shared storage like Oracle RAC database files in ASM, FlexASM. Oracle is RAC database instances. An Oracle database is a set of files. A shared storage can be span of multiple nodes. A RAC database instance is a set of process and memory that operates on database files. A RAC database instance resides on one node. It communicates through the global process and cluster with a RAC database instance in the same cluster. A RAC database instance has the same memory and block background process as a single instance database with the addition of cache fusion and global process. Cache fusion is a diskless cache coherency mechanism in Oracle real application cluster that provides the copies of blocks directly from a holding instance's memory cache to a requesting instance memory cache. This provides a logical merging of the SGS across the DB instances in the cluster. Global processes, not all are shown in the diagram, provides the necessary services to maintain the cache coherency and recovery in the event of node failure. Cache fusion and cluster interface, both of them both use of the private network interconnect for communication between cluster nodes. Okay, here is a diagram for the cache fusion, how it is occurred. RAC management tools, RAC database instance, node, SGA shared pool, and memory, buffer cache, background process, and the global process. Oracle clusterware. Node 2 also the cache fusion. Here global process. Both the nodes will be same and a cluster interface. Okay. The cache fusion, its cluster interface both it will work through the private interconnect. The private network, it will communicate through the private interconnect. Next slide. Okay, Oracle 19c RAC one node review 1 on Oracle real application cluster. One node Oracle RAC one node is a single instance of an Oracle real application cluster Oracle RAC database that runs on one node in a cluster. This often adds the flexibility that Oracle offers a database consolidation. You can consolidate many databases into one Oracle cluster with minimal overhead while also providing the high availability benefits of failover protection. online rolling patch application and rolling upgrades for the operating system and Oracle clusterware. The database instance can be relocated to another node in the cluster while maintaining application continuity. RAC 1 node instances may coexist with other RAC database instances in the same cluster, assuming there are enough nodes with the sufficient resources to service all the instances. The main difference between the Oracle RAC 1 node and the Oracle RAC is that with an Oracle RAC 1 node database, there is only one instance running at a time under normal operations. Should this one instance be impacted by unplanned downtime, there is a short period of time during which no database instance is running. The stack used for Oracle RAC 1 node ensures that the database service will be resumed as fast as possible, but technically, and as with any other failover cluster solution, there is a moment of time during which no instance of the Oracle RAC 1 node database is available to perform any work. This would not be a case in a multi-node Oracle RAC system because multiple instances are already running concurrently accessing the same database. Alright, moving to next overview 2. Here is node cluster DB instance clusterware online relocation. Node 2, it's a passive node. Clusterware only clusterware services running. DB service are running on only one node. It will be also used. It is used also for that shared storage only. While you are online relocating, the database instance will be moved to DB2. The name will be changed, like DB1 here in that node 1. And if you are going to relocate it for any maintenance activity, it will be relocating to another node, means that DB instance will be change them himself like DB2 like that. Okay. Oracle Instance 1 node overview 2. Oracle Real Application Cluster 1 node Oracle RAC. It is a single instance of Oracle Real Application Cluster that runs in 1 node. This option and flexibility of Oracle offer database consolidation. Earlier we discussed this only. The database instance can be relocated to another node in the cluster while maintaining application continuity. RAC 1 node is instance may coexist database instance same cluster, assuming enough nodes with it. What is the difference? Like earlier we discussed and demonstrated like that. And the main difference between Oracle RAC 1 node and the same thing only. You can go ahead with the previous row. The same thing. Next we'll go for that diagram. Now online relocation it's done. One node cluster, node 1 cluster base and node 2. It will be moved to online relocation. It will be moved DB instance to second node. So this is the overview 2. Okay. All right.